Hello, welcome to Beading Diva. Today I'm going to show you our make your own range. So we've got simple elasticated bracelets which are suitable for complete beginners. We've also got charm bracelets with sliding knot finishes. If you're unsure how to do a sliding knot, the instructions are in the bag and also on my website. We've got jump ring earrings and these really cute little daisy earrings. They're suitable for beginners, fairly easy to make. We've also got a beaded necklace make your own set. No tools are required for that one, and again suitable for beginners and really easy to make. We've got a different version here which is bead and button cord necklace, and again suitable for beginners, no tools required. Up here we've got a headpin drop necklace. That is more tricky. It's better if you do have some looping experience. However, you can learn. I've got videos online and instructions. Ideally you'd want a set of one-step loopers or be willing to learn how to loop with the pliers. We've got the paperclip chain bracelet and earring set. Again, you'll be making loops in wire, so ideally a pair of one-step loopers. Just makes life a lot easier. We've got a basic bracelet with a clasp. The only tools for that one are chain nose pliers. That comes in yellow, blue, purple and light blue. We've got jump ring bracelets. We've got in rainbow, yellow, dark blue, light blue, black, red, almost any colour you could possibly want in that one. And these are the finished samples just here. We've got another cord necklace here. This is a beaded cord necklace, no tools required, suitable for beginners. It comes with lovely glass beads and available in a blue or a red cord with that one. And then down here we've got a tiger tail and necklace and earring spacer set, hoop drop bracelet set. Again, that's the main skill of that one is looping and opening and closing loops. We've got a basic tiger tail bracelet where we just use crimping, so you need a pair of chain nose pliers for that one. And to the left of it we've got a headpin bracelet. Like the necklace, you'll need a pair of one-step loopers. The main skill is looping and opening and closing loops. These packs are great for grab and goes. So they're elasticated bracelets, come with all the instructions you need, and a mix of beads. We've got green, blue, purple, red, pink, and then we've also got some multicoloured bracelet sets as well. Got some colours in those with some gold spacers, and we've also got these really lovely hoop earring sets. Super easy to make, no tools required at all. We've got colourful beaded ones. We've got morganite, apatite, and there's more apatite in there. Oh, and ametrine gemstone earrings. So if you want to make your own jewellery but you're unsure where to start, you don't want loads of supplies left over at the end, these make your own sets are perfect. They come with exactly what you need, very clear, colourful instructions explaining exactly what you need to do, and then along the way you learn different skills of crimping, looping and opening and closing loops and jump rings.